Walking the falling area before making any decisions is just as important in the winter. Snow can hide hazards on the ground as well as overhead. Snow load can make it difficult to fall a tree in any direction other than where it is weighted. Moving in and around the work area is more difficult in the snow, so walking trails must be established. A good trail will limit the possibility of slips and falls when carrying gear through dense brush or up steep slopes. Snow load in the trees is always a hazard. Heavy clumps of snow or ice can fall and hit you, and snow-laden branches can break off suddenly without warning. The snow can hide ground hazards. You can slip or trip on previously fallen timber. In heavy snow, snowshoes are commonly used. Bare paw snowshoes are more appropriate for flat ground and packed snow. Sherpa-style snowshoes are longer and more appropriate for deep powder and steep side hills. Note any potentially dangerous trees and decide how to manage them. You want to identify all hazards and dangerous situations prior to falling. There are two methods of preparing the work area around a tree in the snow: shoveling and stomping. Stomping is used in shallow snow when stump height is not a concern. Stomp to compress the snowpack until you have firm footing around the tree. Remove any debris that may hang up on your snowshoes. Always assess the tree from a distance, checking for hidden overhead hazards. Consider the lean and snow load when deciding where to fall. Preparation of the work area is crucial for safe falling in winter conditions. Clear out a working area around the tree. Remove all debris before shoveling. You can stack the debris and use it as a platform to keep the chainsaw out of the snow so it won't freeze up. Shovel out the work area. Shoveling is used in deeper snow to get an appropriate stump height. Cut the snow with the shovel and draw it towards you. This technique is easier on your arms and back. When lifting snow, pre-cut smaller chunks before shoveling. The depression at the base of the tree must not exceed 18 inches, so the faller can easily get out of the way. Shovel out 2 escape routes and pack down the snow for solid footing. This faller is using a plastic shovel. It's lighter and the snow doesn't stick to it. He has also wrapped the shaft of the shovel with plastic tape so it won't ice up. Frozen wood is brittle and prone to barber chair, so make sure your undercut is well cleaned out. You should always use winter wedges on frozen wood for their better holding ability. Snow falling out of the tree can impair visibility and make it harder to get to escape routes. Move away quickly from the tree as it begins to fall. Falling a tree on a steep slope is even more difficult in the snow. Assess the tree for overhead hazards. shovel out the work area. Shovel and stomp 2 escape routes. Another hazard of winter falling is whiteout. Snow from a falling tree can make it impossible to see your escape route, the tree, or any falling limbs. Always try and fall dangerous trees first, so you won't risk the possibility of brushing them with other trees. Assess the tree for defects and hidden hazards. Don't shovel out around a dangerous tree. Stomp down the snow in your work area. You don't want to create a well around the tree that might impede your escape. Snow load can cause dangerous trees to fall unexpectedly. Ensure your escape routes are stomped out. Make your cuts at a comfortable height. Watch the top, limbs, and defect areas for any signs of movement while making cuts. Clean out the undercut to reduce the risk of a barber chair.